DreamStream is a proud sponsor of the all-new Stoner Chats podcast. Here's how you can support the creator. Go to dreamstream.co.za or download our app from the Google Play Store. Click on the login button in the top right corner. If you are not yet a member, scroll slightly down and click on Sign Up. Insert all your details and make sure to accept our terms of service and privacy policy. Every time you log in, you'll automatically land on the Home tab. Here you'll find all the shows you are currently subscribed to. Click on the Discover tab to find the podcast. Click on the show's icon. To become a contributing subscriber, enter your wallet details in the Settings tab. Then return to the show icon and select Subscribe. To try the show for 30 days, you can copy the promo code and paste it in Promo Codes in the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, you can add your billing details by clicking on Wallet and add promo codes by clicking on Promo Codes. Once your subscription is active, you'll find the show's icon in your Home tab. Click on the show's icon, and the playlist will now be visible below the description. Select the playlist and start enjoying the exclusive episodes. Follow our various social media accounts to see when new episodes are released. At DreamStream, we value your feedback. Please engage us via your preferred social media platform, and remember to dream it, stream it, and share it.